Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious coffee cake. It's a eggless coffee cake and it came out really delicious. You should definitely try out this recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, take oil 3 by 4 cup, brown sugar 3 by 4 cup. You can take regular sugar as well. Curd 1 by 4 cup, milk half cup, then coffee powder 1.5 teaspoon. Whisk for 5 minutes. Coffee powder you can take 1.5 teaspoon, otherwise it will be bitter. So do not take more. Take 1 teaspoon of vinegar, which will curdle the milk a little because I had added less curd. So all-purpose flour 1.5 cup, cocoa powder 2 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, and baking soda half teaspoon. Sieve everything well and mix it in cut and fold method. I totally forgot to add the vanilla essence. Do definitely add it. Though it didn't change anything in the taste, but yeah, we generally add it, so but I forgot. So make sure to add that. Now add 1 by 4 cup of milk again because it was little hard, so I'm just adding 1 by 4 cup of milk. And I have preheated the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade if you are using a microwave. Now transfer it to the baking tray. I have taken a 7-inch baking tray. It's a spring form baking tray. Now spread it well. It should be even in all the sides. And tap it well. Now bake it for 55 minutes in the lower rack. Make sure you're putting in the lower rack. Now insert a toothpick. It should come out clean. And let it cool down and then remove it from the baking tray. Insert toothpicks from all the sides and then cut into 2 parts. Now if you see, it looks really moist. Now take heavy whipping cream of 1 cup, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, icing sugar of 4 teaspoon. I had also put this bowl in the fridge for 1 hour. Now add butter 2 teaspoon and beat it for 5 minutes. Make sure everything is chill. At least the whipping cream should be chilled, rest all can be fine. And after 5 minutes, if you see, it looks like this. Add coffee 1 teaspoon, cream cheese of 1 by 4 cup. It will make the frosting stable, so make sure to add it. If you do not have, you can add cornstarch too, and then cocoa powder of 2 teaspoon. Beat them well. Now if you see, it became stiff thick and store it in fridge until use. Melt 1 by 4 cup of chocolate with 4 teaspoon of milk. Mix it and let it cool down. Now apply little frosting and apply the first base. Keep the first base. Sugar syrup, just 1 teaspoon of sugar with 4 to 5 teaspoon of water. Sugar syrup is ready. That will bring it to moist. Now apply the frosting in the first layer and just spread it well. Now put the second layer, again repeat and apply the frosting on all the sides. So if you add cream cheese, if you see, it became very stable, but if I do not add that, it doesn't stay stable. It will be watery, so it's better to add this cream cheese. Now just spread it on the sides as well. It will stick well. Apply the melted chocolate on all the sides and on the top as well. Spread it with a spoon. Now put some choco chips on the sides. You can also add some nuts if you have. Now start the decoration using a piping bag. So decorate as per your choice, and then on top of it I am adding some choco chips, and also I am putting some creams on the sides, and our delicious coffee cake is ready. So I made this on my birthday, and I just cut the first piece like this, and now if you see the piece, how does it look like? It came out really soft and moist. So do definitely try out this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.